Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening your router admin interface. This is where you can see total Wi-Fi traffic, device lists, and settings. Once done, log in with the router credentials and locate the status or traffic meter page. Make sure to use a wired connection if the signal is unstable, and enable logging or traffic statistics so the router retains usage history. These steps are essential because your router aggregates per device data, which you will use to measure consumption accurately. Next, identify every connected device. Look for names, MAC, and current bandwidth usage on the client list. Once identified, switch to the traffic or bandwidth monitoring view and set the time window you want to measure, daily, weekly, or monthly, so comparisons are meaningful. If the router reports only real-time speed, enable cumulative counters or export logs for analysis. Make sure to pause large downloads and isolate one device if you need precise per-device baseline measurements for troubleshooting. Finally, total the data per device and compare those figures to your ISP usage meter to catch discrepancies. Once done, apply bandwidth limits or quality of service rules to curb hogging devices and schedule big updates during off-peak hours to avoid surprises. If numbers look wrong, restart the router, update firmware, and reset counters before retesting, because cached or corrupted logs often cause errors. If issues persist, contact the ISP and provide exported logs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.